Hi, welcome to Valine Vista Residences Phase 2A orientation. At the end of this orientation, you will learn about the basic features of our Rachel house model. Some frequently asked questions about cracks and cold joints. PAG-E Big Housing Loan Processing. Homeowners Association, HOA. Zacateko connection. And package options. This is how our Rachel row house units look like. These are the photos of actual newly built units. Each unit has a floor area of 32.4 square meters. With 2 bedrooms, one has a dimension of 2.5 meters by 2.5 meters, while the other one has 2 meters by 3 meters. Toilet and bath which is tiled from floor to ceiling line and with installed water closet, lavatory, shower and faucet. Tiled kitchen counter with stainless lavatory and gooseneck faucet. 3 sliding glass windows. Open space for laundry area. Concrete roof deck. Painted doors with doorknobs. Complete electrical wirings and switches. And high-quality panel board with circuit breakers. Since the structure is cast-in-place monolithic concrete, in which the concrete mixture is poured uninterruptedly and completed within the day and allowed to cure for at least 28 days. Thus, voids are very minimal in the entire building. This technology gives the walls strength of 25 megapascal compared to a concrete hollow block wall with only 19 megapascal and 35 megapascal for the roof deck, which is more or less the same with the road strength of between 30 to 35 megapascal. It is very advantageous because it results to improved thermal insulation, increased sound isolation level, house life extension and increased strength. For our roof deck rebar reinforcement, as shown in the picture, we are using the standard 10 mm deformed bar spaced at 20 cm. It's like a basket which is interwoven and locked together. If you happen to become one of the fortunate owners of these housing units, kindly take note of these reminders. The subdivision project has provisions for drainage where your housing unit drainage, downspouts and floor drain are connected. It is your responsibility to maintain the cleanliness of your floor drains, plumbing and sanitary lines. You need to regularly declog bottled P-traps of kitchen counters and maintain drainage inlet for rainwater to flow smoothly. With regard to flood issue, the house is 40 cm higher than the road level. Thus, the flood water will not enter the house but flow directly to the drainage. This means that you really have to clean and maintain your drainage system. We would like also to remind you that you are only allowed to maintain improvements within your property limits, which is 4 meters from the center line of the road. You may locate your property markers or MUHON for your boundary reference. Please ask the developer assistant when in doubt. At this point, we will discuss some frequently asked questions. What is a hairline crack? Hairline cracks are due to any of the following. Shrinkage, which is due to too much heat during curing period making the concrete harden prematurely, and movement of structure caused by an earthquake. Is the structure safe even with hairline cracks? Yes, since hairline cracks does not affect the strength of the structure. Only major cracks that separate the part from the structure can be considered as hazards. How to fix hairline cracks? Use concrete putty, sealant, skim coat or other paints. We discourage to open slice any part of the structure to repair a crack to avoid cold joints. What is a cold joint? It occurs when the first batch of concrete has begun to set before the net batch is added, so that the two batches do not intermix. Normal occurrences in construction, but on occasion are leak points that may need sealing or repair. Please take note that new concrete will not stick to the old concrete. Better consult experts before fixing any cold joint. Let us now discuss the PAG-E Big Fund housing loan. Unless you want to purchase it in cash, owning your housing lot and or lot only is made possible through PAG-E Big housing loan. The following are the steps in processing of the PAG-E Big housing loan. First, you have to watch and understand the Valine Vista Residences video orientation. Then, you have to submit complete documents based on the list of requirements provided by our sales staff. After passing the pre-screening of documents, you will be qualified to select your actual unit. After selecting your unit, you will pay the reservation fee, other fee, equity fee, if any, and excess lot fee, if any. Then we will process your PAG-E Big housing loan. Next step in the Pag-ibig housing loan processing is the submission of your loan application to Pag-ibig. They will evaluate your application, and if your application has been approved, Pag-ibig will send us the NOA or Notice of Approval. Then our sales office will inform you that your loan is approved. At this point, you are not yet authorized to occupy your respective units. You can only move in upon loan takeout. The sales office will inform you that you can already claim your house keys. Your monthly amortization will start after 1 month from takeout. Sales office will notify you about this. Please be reminded that units are SS whereas basis. SS denotes that the seller is selling, and the buyer is buying an item in whatever condition it presently exists, and that the buyer is accepting the item with all faults, whether or not immediately apparent. Upon turnover of keys after takeout date, you need to check your chosen unit and sign the unit acceptance form. What to check during the 30-day period? Check for major construction failures. These are parts of the structures or damages that will cause hazard or harm to its occupants. We would like to emphasize that only complaints on major construction failures will be entertained, and such are subject for evaluation. When you encountered major construction failures, kindly coordinate with the sales office for scheduling of unit inspection. Also, kindly follow building codes to avoid penalties and possible hazards. What is HOA? HOA stands for Homeowners Association. All house and lot owners are automatic members of the association. Basic community services such as maintenance of street lights and cleaning of streets, manage the water system, garbage collection and disposal, and other similar services and facilities will be managed by HOA. As regards Zacatelco connection, the account will be in the owner name. The developer will provide electricity line from house to meter post, but it is the owner who should provide for electricity line from meter post to the main connection and the processing of service connection with Zacatelco office. Our package options are, for house and lot, the total price is $580,000. And for lot only, the total price is $232,000. Reservation fee is $10,000 for house and lot, and $7,500 for lot only. Other fee is $8,000 for house and lot, and $8,000 for lot only. The equity fee, if any, is $50,000 for house and lot, and $25,000 for lot only. And the excess fee, if any, is $2,700 per square meter for house and lot, and $2,700 per square meter for lot only. Equity fee is charged for units along Main Avenue, while excess fee is for lot areas beyond 46 square meters for house and lot and beyond 86 square meters for lot only. Other fee benefits for HOA. Immediate advantage, lesser cost for the client. 1. The developer did not charge the client for the processing fee. Instead of paying the processing fee of $20,000 for lot only and $45,000 for house and lot, you will only pay $8,000 for every lot that you applied for. 2. Long-lasting benefit, HOA stable source of income. When HOA has been registered with the DSHUD, formerly HLURB, the developer will transfer the ownership and management of Phase 2A water system and its facilities to HOA. If managed well, HOA will have a stable source of income from its operation, which could be used to subsidize the members' water bill, garbage collection fee, and street lighting power bill, and to finance other projects that could benefit the members and community. 3. Other benefits, support HOA operations and projects. Out of the $8,000 that you pay, a certain amount will be allotted by the developer as a trust fund, of which its earned dividends will be used to subsidize HOA operations. For other inquiries, please visit www.pagibigfund.gov.ph. That ends our orientation. Thank you so much for your time.